everybody, this is Nora and welcome back to my Beauty Big Bang review video. This is going to be a breakout of a couple of the items from my haul video that I did just the other day or just yesterday. On this one I am going to concentrate on the heart studs right here. This is the art wheel and the water decals. So first, to show you the art wheel, this is the item number right here, but I will have links down in the description bar to both of these items. And remember that you may apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. So I'm going to go ahead and open these and show them to you up close. Here they are, and these are all hearts, but they come in red, black, and like a fuchsia pink, and they all have that metallic look, and they're 3D hearts, so they are slightly raised studs. They're absolutely beautiful. I love the shine on that metallic look. And today, for today's mani, I'm going to use these pink ones right here. I am going to pair them up with this particular design that I want to show you here on the nail decals. So here's the item number, also will be down in the description bar. This little pack of nail decals, it has 24 sheets of all floral designs. This is the one that I'm going to use today. Check it out. I really like that color. Really getting into somewhat of a spring mood here today. It was 70 degrees in Central Virginia. How about that? But I'm going to show you up close. Check them out. All these flowers are beautiful. Most of them are very photo-like type of images, and a couple of them look more like paintings, type of like drawn. These are actually butterflies, and I have these upside down. These are butterflies. They kind of look like they have leaf veins on the wings. Very delicate, very pretty. These are like roses. Here's another good variety. I like the vibrant colors on this one. Here's some poppies. Oh, well, I thought I had all these in the same direction. Some more poppies right here. More red. And some pink lilies. Beautiful, beautiful decals. Perfect for the spring. How about that? And of course, take them into the summer. Look at these. More lilies. I love these. These are so picturesque. Look at that. Just like a photo. And these, so pretty and delicate looking. Tulips. I was so happy to see these tulips in here. Another one that is very photo-like. Pretty. And look at these purple. Oh wow, these are more lilies. Yeah, a lot of these are spring flowers. So this is another mixture. They kind of look like some carnations or of some type. Look at these blue flowers. So pretty. And these start looking more like a painting like. And so it's this one. These are leaves. These are very fine leaves, and you see the veins kind of like remind me of the butterflies. And this is the last one. Check it out, so cute. Little girl with the flower hit on her head. But yes, so I am going to test this one out. I'm going to do a design, show you how I go about that. And now my nails are, I just have my clear base, but I will be applying the base color, and I'll walk you through the tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you will want to do, guys, if you've never worked with water decals before, they always come with a protective clear film on the top. This is to protect the image, which you may remove. I choose to remove mine and just leave it off. And then after that, then you will want to find the right size of the image for your nail, and then just cut it out. So here are my 3 pieces that I am going to apply to my nails later. Now I'm going to work on my base color. Okay guys, so I have already applied the base color to my nails, and I did that off camera. What I've done, as you've seen me done in the past, I actually stamped the white base on the nails that I'm going to apply the decals. My middle nail, I stamped it, but then I went over it with the white polish to then have more of that finished look. Since it is, I'm going to keep that one polished and do something different on that one. But now what I want to do is I'm going to take my decals that I cut out and submerge them in water, and they only need to stay there in about 20 seconds or so, and then they'll be ready. Now that they have been there long enough, I can go ahead and remove them. Take the excess out. I have a paper towel here so I can get them to dry. And you know they're ready because they will slide right out right there. See that? This is the one that I want for my pinky. Okay guys, so there's the application of my 3 water decals right there. For this next step, I am going to use Beauty BigBang stamping plate number, this is number 7, and the image that I'm going to use is going to be, I think it's I'm going to do this one. They somewhat look like butterfly wing, and I am going to stamp with Beauty BigBang this pink stamping polish. Look at that, that couldn't have come out more perfect. Now I'm going to pull out my pink hearts. I might end up, let's see how many end up fitting on my nail. Okay guys, now I went ahead and pulled out a black heart. I'm almost thinking, because I have some black here, I might place that heart in the center. But to apply my hearts, I'm going to go ahead and use my top coat first. So here's the final result after I applied top coat and cleaned up. What do you guys think? So ready for spring, huh? I think they turned out super pretty. Here you saw what easy application that was using these water decals as well as the studs. I did go with a very generous amount of top coat on my middle nail right there because of the studs. And one thing that I did notice, maybe because I held my brush, I was holding it for maybe a little too long over this stud, I found there was a little bit of bleeding from that heart right there, but nothing from this one, which is the same color, and nothing from the black. They all stood very just as nice. And there you see it. So if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below. I do want to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me these products to play with and review. Remember that I will have links to these down in the description bar, as well as my code NAQ57 for that you can apply it at checkout for a 10% discount. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.